Welcome back to day 32, Power of Storytelling for Business Transformation. This is our day 32 of our 90-day sprint. And back on day 17, we talked about storytelling. But today we're going to talk about how real power of storytelling and why the stories that are most important for your business. So facts tell, the stories sell. Okay, stories create connection, belief, and trust. They make your message stick. The story is relatable. A story builds emotions. A story inspires someone to say, if it worked for them, maybe it could work for me too. People don't buy information, they buy transformation. And stories are how they show up and what's possible. Today, share one story using a simple formula. Number one, struggle. What was the challenge? Number two, shift. What was the change? Number three, success. What was the results? And the formula that takes you every single time is this. That is the formula, friends, that takes you every single time to telling your story. Your story doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real. That's what inspires people. Here's a challenge. Share your story in your content today. Comment below with told it whenever you've got it shared, and grab today's workshop to help you map it out. I will see you tomorrow, friends.